This is how you do it. Hey, look, she wore the shirt. Oh, cow, it fits you well. Ah! Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, look who just rolled up. He's got to concentrate, he's got to park. We got celebrities here. Celebrities here.
Hey, look at that. Look at that. Look at who it is.
Retro meat girl.
She's gonna win.
Who are you?
She's gonna win.
And I don't tell my wife, but that's my wife, y'all. That's my wife, in case you don't know. This is also Pix House Videos. But anyway, we're here at the Retro Meet. We got all kinds of cars out here. Look, there we got Tom Clark's Retro Fox. It's gonna be awesome. And it's still at Mustang Week. It's still a Mustang Week event. And my lighting is bad, so hold on one second. Tiffany's worried about raining. My top is down. We ain't gonna worry about the rain. We're gonna like see if it pours. So I'm gonna risk it. But yeah, this is Mustang Week. Mustang Week is still going on, but tonight is the Retro Meet. If you guys remember, Harris Lou promised me a spot for Retro Meet. I'll play the footage.
Spot up front.
Uh-oh.
I think we're...
This is going in the video, guys. You just heard it. So he came through, guys. He came through. There she is. There's Star Hill Fox. Felt another drop of rain. Hopefully the rain will hold off. But I'm going to show you guys everything, and this is the event you do not want to miss. Burnout contest. The reason Tiffany's dressed up like that is it is 80s, 90s night retro, right? So that's why she's dressed up like that. The thumbnail turned out bad. It is all Ken's fault from Louisville Media. It's his fault. Yeah. If the thumbnail turned out bad.
It's the YouTube channel's fault. Gearhead 704 is not his fault. It's all me. The rain is my fault. Everything is my fault. But we love you.
He speaks the truth. You know, we got Brent here. What's up, man? And Monica, look, right here. As soon as you pulled up, I was like, I hope he parks beside me. But anyway, guys, the rain is starting to come, but I'm going to show you all the event. Let's get into it. Okay, it is raining. All the Burt guys are getting their tops up. We got to do it. Guys, be top up weather after all, but Harris, I put my top down for you at first. As soon as I said I was going to go ahead and leave my top down and tempt fate, yeah, it started raining. One thing I did want to point out, I said Hicks House Videos and Mad Maxine like you guys knew, but Brent, sometimes people are new. Sometimes they're new. So, if you love unique gold wheels and 392s.
What's up?
Cubic inch 392?
393.
Ow! I was so close. If you love 393 and gold wheels, please check out his channel and the video we did on it as well, right?
Yes.
Because that was fun. Mad Maxine. As I was saying though, the Retro Meet is pretty much just Fox bodies and older. Also, you do have some SN95s around that way. You got those guys over here too. But we're gonna go across the line, show you some of the Foxes, and this is cool. This is a little early taste of what Foxtoberfest might be like with all the Fox body Mustangs going around. Guys, we had the big reveal. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh my God. We had the full reveal of Hicks House Videos right here. Woo! Bala! Bala! Now we return to your regularly scheduled time lapse. Now what is going on over here? Look at this crowd, guys. Look at this Fox body. I was just told this is Vaughn Gitten's Fox. Race car, Fox body. Guys, it's pouring. Can't take it no more. Maybe I can rent this little space right here for Foxcast. Guys, you got to see Foxcast tonight.
You brought the rain.
All right, you know, you're right. See what I'm wearing, guys? And he called me out, little G.I. Joe. No.
Wipe your lens.
Oh yeah, I got to do that. I keep wiping that. This is how you do it. This is how you do Retro Meet. One time only, guys.
Or take over. How many times have I been?
Actually, you know what?
It sucks.
I came to Ford Takeover twice, both times it rained.
Yep.
Think it might be my fault at this point, Caleb.
You're bringing with you.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna finally give in and shut the hood, but I'm worried about the sign.
Hey, don't let this sign get wet.
I know. I'm worried about it. You gotta hold my camera while I get the sign.
Go, go, go.
Guys, rain is starting to let up, although Tiffany's still rocking the umbrella, but it works, it works. I'm gonna walk you guys through. There is gonna be a burnout contest here tonight, and we are gonna have that in the video here. Of course, take a look. Now, my understanding is most of these that are not FoxBody's, Tiff, they're all gonna be doing burnouts.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so are you excited about the burnouts? How are you feeling about the burnouts, honestly?
I'll watch.
You'll watch, all right. She's in for the long haul. Here we go. Now, this one will not be doing a burnout. Some of these will, some of these I recognize. This is Ben Destroyer's car, in case you guys didn't know. It is retro meet, so we got some nice outfits all over. You're fitting in well, Tiff. Me, not so much, but I tried. Okay, yeah, I guess it's back here. I don't know where the burnout box is. It's at Suck Bang Blow. That's where they have it at, and this place is crazy. Oh yeah, here you go. This is it right here. I think this is the burnout pit, which, guys, it's gonna be a little problem here. A little wet. I don't know, it's gotta dry off some first, but the rain is finally letting up. So hopefully get to see some burnouts. Tiff, you wanna see some burnouts?
Yes.
I already asked you that, didn't I? I ask her a lot of questions, guys. She just has to answer, and then sometimes I cut and sometimes I don't. So what you guys see here in this area is kind of the overflow parking. It's right near the main entrance. Over here, a lot less Foxes, a lot more of the newer cars, but we're gonna go ahead and show them anyway because they're still Mustangs, right? It's pretty cool. That guy, I think I know that guy. Hey, look, she wore the shirt. Holy cow, it fits you well. Yeah, no problem. Follow 5.0 Brit. I think I got the name right this time. Out, guys, we're doing retro stuff. Look who it is.
What's up, man?
Topless Fox 91.
Yeah.
You recently changed over your intake too, right?
Yeah.
GT40 or what? I forgot.
Yeah,
what.
GT40 upper and lower.
Yeah.
New valve covers, cold air intake, mass air meter.
Nice. Did it make it here? Where are you at?
It's at home.
Oh, okay.
Having issues with it. I think it might be a vacuum leak. I don't know.
Okay.
Yet.
Well, you'll get it worked out.
Yeah,
love the get up, man.
Thanks.
Looking good. Yeah, that's definitely retro. You're gonna win, I think.
Yeah,
I'll vote for you.
Thanks.
Tiffany, you were just telling me you like this car because it says Star Fox.
It's a Star
And
Fox.
you used to play Star Fox.
I used to play that. It was like
Yeah.
the first multiplayer game I remember playing with my siblings.
Oh, cool. Well, what you didn't know is this is Dustin's car. Hey, Dustin, how you doing?
Hey, doing good.
Good. You work on this Fox Body too, don't you?
Yep.
We had a little interruption there, but yeah, so Dustin, you do work on this car, you were saying yourself, right? You've done some work on it? And how long have you had the car? Since you were 12? Really? You had this since you were 12?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. What about the spoiler? Can you tell me what kind of spoiler's on it? Serbinator spoiler. Very cool. I think Our Dream Auto, did they help him out with that? They did.
Declan and painted everything, put everything
Okay.
together for us. Yep.
That is awesome. Well, I love that you're into FoxBody's and you're a young man, and I really appreciate it. And getting the car out here in the rain, that's great. That's great. And of course, my wife here, she loves the Star Fox. So thank you, Dustin, for showing the car on the channel. Appreciate it. Of course, if you watch my channel, you know this, but in case you don't, this is the man that puts the retro meat on. Harris, welcome back to the channel.
Yes, and welcome to the retro meet, man.
Yeah, it's my first time. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Tiff's all decked out, of course. You had the jacket on, the famous jacket earlier.
Yeah,
Getting hot.
Yeah, you can see my shoulders are sweaty because of my Vanilla Ice jacket. I got my Billy Hole shoes on.
Just check out those shoes, guys. Those look great.
I can't jump and I don't have rhythm. Mixture of Vanilla Ice and Billy Hole.
Do they make those in a size 18? Probably
I'm
not.
sure. I mean,
No, maybe.
these are 90s basketball basketball shoes.
Yeah, they probably
made
did.
those things all the way up to like
Yeah.
24 for Shaq.
Well, this is an awesome turnout. Of course, you got Gramps and Calypso here for the very first time. How are you feeling?
First time at Retro Meet.
Retro
together.
Meet, Retro
First
Meet.
time at Mustang Week since 2016. So
Yeah.
it feels pretty good.
How do you feel about the turnout? It seems to me like this is a great turnout.
Insane.
Yes.
Absolutely insane. And, you know, pulled a little rabbit out of my hat.
Yes.
The Fun Haver crew
Vaughn
over
Gittin.
here. Vaughn Gittin Jr. was gracious enough to come out here and gonna hopefully have a little fun with us because that's what he does. He's the Fun Haver himself.
Yeah, I caught the FoxBody starting up earlier, actually. We got it on video, guys. So.
It smells like race fuel and it sounds like really, really choppy cam in there. So I'm looking forward to seeing him get rowdy in it tonight. But yeah, we're out here at Suck Bang Blow. Got my great sponsors every year. TJ Pony Parts, you know, UPR products, LMR, Knockaround Sunglasses, Surbinator, Foxcast, you guys, everybody that comes here.
We're unofficial, but yeah, thanks.
I mean, everybody that comes here helps me out.
Yes.
Whether you're coming out here and buying food and drink from the bar, or you're out here buying a t-shirt, or you're just out here having a good time. You know, it doesn't cost anything to come here.
We love it.
It's Mustang Week. You
And
know?
then these
We're
are
just
the
here
new
to have a good
shirts.
time.
Can you get, I know they're sold out here tonight pretty much. Can you get them on shopbluecreative.com though?
I just put them on Shop Blue Creative, so
There you go.
That's what I was doing over there when I was looking at my phone.
Okay, yeah. I asked him for an interview. He's right around here like a chicken with his head cut off. But I did not get a shirt, so I'm going to go to shopbluecreative.com. I recommend you do too. And they get 10% off if you're at 704 still, I believe.
Absolutely.
So there you go.
And mine. Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, well, we're going to let him get back to it, guys. But thanks again for setting this up, Harris. We love it, man. There's lots of celebrities out here tonight. You already saw Harris. You already saw Star Fox for Autism. But you have never seen a guy like this before on this channel, unless you've been an OG. But we got Willie, Yellow FoxBody guy. What's going on? You got the whole fam.
Got the whole family.
Where's Camaro, man? Don't let him sneak up on me now.
He might.
Oh, man.
I think I
That
saw
happened
him.
before. I think he might be here.
Yeah, I think I've seen him.
He's real
I don't know if
sneaky.
he'll show up tonight.
He's
The
real
car's
sneaky.
way down there.
Okay.
He'll show up throughout the weekend.
He probably will. Watch that for guys.
tricked him in
He
the
got me
corner.
before. You tricked him? Yeah, I know. Make sure his Camaro tears up. But in case you don't know already, he has a YouTube channel. Be sure to check it out. He's a funny guy. What do you say? Silly. He's a silly guy.
Yeah, silly. The silly channel.
Silly channel right here.
Kind of a mix between Saturday Night Live, Gearhead, whoever.
Nah, he's
You
silly.
name it.
We love it. We love it. Check him out. Guys, I saw another nice FoxBody out here. Check this one out. This is a very clean notch La Fox 92. And I'm here with the owner. Lauren, this is your car. Is that right?
Yes.
What year is it actually?
1992.
92.
Yep.
And you just started a YouTube channel,
I
right?
did. I just started like a month and a half ago.
Oh,
Documenting, the progress that we made on the car and just.
It's a twin turbo?
Nope. Just
Oh, it's single turbo. Okay.
Precision 76 single turbo.
Look at this engine bay. Oh my God.
The whole fab, and I did Scott Rob panels as well, all
Yep.
in 42 days.
Wow.
But
That's all right.
Jeff Chandler in Michigan did all of my fab work. He's
Okay.
awesome. Colin over there, he helped me a lot with the wiring and work
Okay.
as well. So it was definitely a team effort, but we got it done in just.
Well, that's what it
42
takes
days.
sometimes, you know?
Absolutely.
Well, is your YouTube channel the same as your Instagram over
Yep.
there?
Lala Fox 92.
Oh, awesome, awesome. Well, check out her channel, guys. She's putting out great content, and she just started. So give her a sub, check her out. Thanks for being on the channel.
Thank you.
So let's bring the ladies costume contest participants to the stage. Ladies, I'm gonna have you introduce yourself. Tiffany.
So, as you saw there, I threw in a little bit of footage. Tiffany entered the dance contest.
No, costume
contest.
But I had to dance it.
Yes, she did great. What do you guys think? I think she should have won, but you know, I'm not going to throw all that footage in there. But anyway,
It's just fun.
it was fun. Awesome. So it's wet out here. We're having a good time though, and Tiffany's got an umbrella, but I need a good lighting. Anyway, that's how it goes. We are going to have some burnouts, I believe. As long as the rain doesn't rain us out, look for burnouts right after this. But anyway, that's going to be it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. Because why? I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday for consistent content. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Oh, a lot more Mustang Week videos, right?
So much more.
All right, more content coming. Bye, guys.
Dude, yeah.
FoxBody's can still do it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Nitrous. Yeah. Okay, Zach's right. Hey, he's got nitrous. He can do it.
I've never sprayed that motor.
Blooper material.
It's always fancy.
This will be for the home videos only, Brent.
Oh my God, is that your head?
What? Hey, it's Matt Serpinator. Hey, how's it going? You see this thing? Sweet, isn't it? Yeah. Yep. You're on YouTube. Might be in the bloopers, but you'll be in there.